Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best cable protector ramp is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of safety equipment for any space where cables need to be managed and protected, whether it's a busy office, a bustling event venue, a workshop, or even your own home. These ramps are designed not only to prevent tripping hazards by neatly concealing wires and cords but also to shield them from damage caused by foot traffic, vehicle weight, or accidental impacts, ensuring the longevity of your electrical setups and maintaining a clean, organized, and safe environment for everyone. Number 5. CXRCY 3-pack 2-channel cable ramp. Introducing the CXRCY cable ramp, your ultimate solution for protecting cables and hoses. This pack includes 3 durable, 2-channel ramps designed for heavy-duty use. Crafted from industrial-grade rubber, these ramps are built to withstand demanding conditions. They are waterproof, durable, and stable, ensuring long-lasting performance. With a load capacity of up to 11,000 pounds per axle, these ramps provide exceptional protection for vehicles and pedestrians. The bright yellow and black design enhances visibility, ensuring safety day and night. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, these ramps are perfect for managing wires, hoses, and pipes in various public and commercial areas. They can also function as speed bumps for added safety. Setting up is a breeze. Simply place your cables into the channels. The non-slip base and pre-split rear make installation quick and secure, preventing sliding on smooth surfaces. Keep your work areas tidy and safe by concealing and protecting your valuable cables and hoses. These ramps prevent damage from traffic and footfall, ensuring uninterrupted operations. What we like. This option comes in a convenient 3-pack with dual channels, offering great value. It boasts a substantial 11,000 pounds axle capacity, making it suitable for most vehicle traffic. If you need a reliable and visible solution for protecting multiple cables in a busy area, this is a solid choice. What people say. They are heavy enough to stay put but light enough that I can carry both together. They're solid, and I love the bright yellow strip that adds a measure of safety. The 3 channels are deep and wide so that the cable fits easily. It's a high-quality product which perfectly satisfies the requirements I had to route garden hoses safely across a pathway. I'm a mobile DJ, so it's perfect for pedestrian and light equipment traffic. Pro tip. There is a small metal rod that travels the length of the unit and keeps the swinging trapdoor in place. Number 4. Reliancer 3-pack dual-channel rubber cable protector ramp. Protect your cables and hoses from heavy vehicle traffic with this durable rubber ramp. It's designed to withstand up to 11,000 pounds, ensuring your equipment stays safe. Each ramp features dual channels, providing ample space for your power cords, wires, and hoses. Setup is quick and easy, preventing damage in high-traffic areas. Constructed from high-density, industrial-grade rubber, this protector is built for longevity and heavy use. Its flexible material ensures it can handle demanding conditions. Connect multiple ramps for longer cable runs. The flip-open top cover in bright yellow provides easy access to cables and enhances visibility for safety. With a special grid structure at the base and a textured surface, it grips the ground firmly and resists movement. This ensures stability and prevents tripping hazards. Ideal for a wide range of environments, including garages, warehouses, schools, and event venues. It offers superior protection for various types of cables and hoses. What we like. The standout feature here is the convenient flip-open top cover, allowing for easy access to your cables. Its modular interlock system means you can easily extend it for longer runs. If you anticipate needing to frequently access or rearrange your cables, or if you have a large area to cover, this product offers excellent flexibility and ease of use. What people say. Plenty of space in the channel for larger wires and hoses. It fit 2 6-channel XLR snakes plus a networking cable perfectly for the flow marching webcast. Very durable. Number 3. Pyle Heavy-Duty Cable Protection Ramp. Introducing the Pyle Heavy-Duty Cable Protection Ramp, designed for ultimate durability and reliability. It's perfect for high-traffic areas, ensuring safety for everyone. With its black and bright yellow design, this ramp offers excellent visibility and enhanced safety for passers-by. Protect your cables while keeping people safe. Constructed with marine-grade waterproof material, it's suitable for various environments. Easily use it in homes, offices, schools, or warehouses without worry. Despite its lightweight design, it can support up to 11,000 pounds. This makes it safe for both pedestrian traffic and lightweight vehicles. This ramp offers superior protection for all your cables, wires, and hoses. Its interlocking system makes cable placement simple and efficient. Featuring a wide channel groove, it accommodates multiple floor cables and power cords with ease. Expand your setup by connecting additional units. What we like. This ramp offers a streamlined single-channel design, perfect for situations where you only need to protect a few cables. Its marine-grade waterproof construction ensures durability even in harsh conditions. If you're looking for a compact, lightweight, and weather-resistant solution for moderate foot traffic areas like offices or smaller workshops, this would be ideal. What people say. This ramp is very sturdy and can handle the weight of vehicles. The interlocking design makes it easy to connect multiple ramps together for wider coverage. It provides excellent protection for cables and hoses from being damaged by traffic. Number 2. VEVOR 6-foot heavy-duty rubber speed bumps, 2 PCS. This heavy-duty speed bump is built to last, constructed from industrial-grade rubber. It offers superior shock absorption and a longer lifespan compared to PVC alternatives, ensuring reliable cable protection. With an impressive load capacity of 22,046 pounds, it effectively controls vehicle speed for both cars and trucks. The dual-channel design also safeguards your electrical cables on the road. Its textured surface increases friction for safe vehicle passage. The high-visibility black and yellow design, complete with reflective coating, ensures it's easily seen, even at night. Featuring bottom grids and holes to absorb shock, it also includes multiple mounting holes. This ensures it stays securely in place, preventing theft or unwanted movement. Ideal for a wide range of locations, including parking lots, warehouses, and event venues. It provides excellent protection for extension cords, power lines, and hoses in various environments. What we like. This product offers a substantial 22,046 pounds load capacity, significantly higher than others, making it ideal for heavy-duty traffic control. The modular design and generous 6-foot length per piece are great for covering longer stretches. If you need to manage speed and protect cables in high-traffic zones like parking lots or event venues with heavier vehicles, this offers superior strength and coverage. What people say. Works perfectly and looks nice. Stays in place, very heavyweight, and durable. Also comes with mounting hardware if you are going to install and bolt to a surface. These are very heavy, well constructed, perform well and I doubt will ever degrade. Perfect for what we needed because they are heavy enough to stay put but we can adjust and move around as needed. Number 1. Pyle 43-channel cable protector ramp. Introducing a rugged and reliable cable cover ramp, designed for safety in high-traffic areas. Its durable construction ensures longevity and protection for your cables. Available in black and bright yellow, this ramp enhances visibility for passers-by, adding an extra layer of safety. It's ideal for busy environments where caution is paramount. Crafted from marine-grade waterproof material, it withstands the elements and allows for easy passage of wheels and carts. This heavy-duty solution is perfect for various indoor and outdoor settings. Despite its manageable weight, it boasts an impressive load capacity of 11,000 pounds. This makes it safe for both pedestrian traffic and lightweight vehicles. It efficiently protects your cables, wires, hoses, and more. The interlocking system simplifies cable placement, ensuring a secure and organized setup. Featuring a wide channel groove, it accommodates multiple floor cables and power cords with ease. Expand your coverage by connecting additional units for a customized solution. What we like. With an impressive 33,000 pounds capacity and 3 channels, this ramp is built for the most demanding situations. The flip-open lid provides easy cable access, and the interlocking system allows for custom configurations. If you're dealing with very heavy loads or need to protect multiple, thicker cables in industrial settings or event spaces, this offers the highest capacity and versatility. What people say. They interlock well and are easy to add and remove cords from as necessary. Industrial quality. The channel is large enough for a level 2 cable. I saved thousands of dollars in wall charger installation by just running the cable across the floor and protecting it with this. The quality is fantastic. They are extremely durable and heavy rubber. I only use them to protect my Tesla Plaid charging cable so I don't have to keep winding it back up. Now I can easily and safely drive right over it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.